this anymore. But 2 weeks later, that all turned around. I was out on the lot, just armor all on the tires on a Corvette, and the shadow falls behind me onto the car. And I turn around, and there's this figure standing there, and the sun was right behind his head, so it looked like a halo, like an angel. And out from the light steps the Neil Diamond. That's right, the Neil Diamond. Most of the people over there, Google him, you'll figure him out. Now, I'm like, this is awesome, Neil Diamond, but no one's around, it's just me and you. I'm like, what can I do? And he just stands there. He's like, hello, used car guy, hello. I need some new wheels, hello. And I'm amped. I'm like, come on inside, Mr. Diamond, have a seat. Let me get you some coffee. How can I help you? What do you need? And he's like, car's on the fritz. Ain't no surprise. Bought me a Jag. It was a piece of junk to drive. What can I buy with 0 down? My credit is shot and my career is too. I'm looking for a slice of humble pie. So tell me again how your Focus drives. That was just the best day of my life because I actually was able to sell him a Focus. And you know what, Brett and Allie? I apologize because he was actually supposed to be here tonight and actually be the real entertainment. But that Focus couldn't make it up the mountain. So I think he's actually a camp inmate down the street. But hey, speaking about today, wasn't the ceremony just beautiful?
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's hear it for Allie's Uncle John. Didn't he do a great job today? I mean, he looked like he's been doing this his whole life, like he's a real pro. Who knew that this was his first ceremony? And what, he got his degree online in like, what, 2 to 4 hours? What takes most men 8 years in seminary school, he wraps up in a weekend? I mean, the guy is pretty ambitious. So, and you know what, I had a chance to talk to him later, and he was telling me about his disgust with our current healthcare system. So he said he's actually thinking of going online to get his MD. He said, don't worry about it, he's going to need more time to take care of that. So he's thinking of using like a long weekend, like Labor Day, to wrap that up, and bam, we got it covered. So anyway, just wanted